Namo Namaha. We are learning looking around of class 5 and we are talking about our first chapter, super senses. As we know, we have 5 senses: sight, smell, hearing, touch and taste. In the last video, I asked you one question that do animals have senses? You dropped something sweet on the ground and within minutes, many ants collected around it. Has this ever happened to you? Why does it happen? Answer is that yes, animals also have different senses. They can see, hear, taste, smell and feel. Some animals can see their prey from far away. Some can hear even the faintest sound. Some animals can find their friends by their smell. The animal world is full of examples of amazing senses. Even senses help all animals orient themselves in their environment to find food, to escape from danger, and to find others of their own kind. Even animals may have senses that humans do not have. For example, most birds can see ultraviolet light while humans cannot. Now we talked about ants. How did the ant recognize a friend? Can you tell me? An ant was going alone on the ground. It saw a group of ants coming from the other side. The first ant quickly came back to its hole. The ant guarding the hole recognized it and let it in. Now, think and tell. How did the ant know that the other ants were not from its group? Can you tell me? As we have seen, ants and other animals also have different senses. And due to these senses, the ant could know that other ants were not from its group. So how did the guard ant recognize this ant? The guard ant could recognize this ant because of smell. Yes, ants recognize their friends because they have a strong ability to smell. Each ant releases certain components which is detected by another ant using their sense of smell. So, in this way they recognize each other. Now, drop some sugar, jaggery or anything sweet on the ground. Wait until the ants come there. And then you have to answer certain questions. How long did it take for the ants to come? Can you tell me? Drop some sugar or anything sweet on the ground and wait until the ants come there. How long did it take for the ants to come? It hardly took 15 to 20 minutes. Right? It took about 15 to 20 minutes for ants to come. Did one ant come first or a group of ants came together? Did one ant come first or a group of ants came together? Always remember, first of all, only one ant will come and then a group of ants will follow. What did the ants do with the food? You may have seen this. the ants carried the food to their hole. Where do they go from there? They go to their hole from there. Do they move in a line? Yes, they will always follow a line. So every time you can observe this, if anything sweet is on ground, then one ant will come first, then group of ants will follow them. They will carry their food and then they will take their food to the hole, and they will always move in a line. Why is it so? That we will see in the next video.